Dear student, class 10, welcome to our Greenfield School and College online class. Today I will discuss about chapter 11, the national resource and the economic system. The prosperity of any country depends on the nature and the amount of national resource of that country. It is universal truth. Underline it. The prospect of development of that country is that country rich in national resource is obviously high. For knowing about the economy, it is necessary to know first about its resources. Again, to know about the economic system of a country, it is very important what type of economic country remain that country. It depends on their development. We should know first about its production and distribution process and method. This production and distribution system is different under various economic system. The economic system includes the method, process and rates under which the economy of any country is operated. Now we go to the concept of national resource. Usually resource means, what do you mean by resource? Resource means land, house, various types of necessary and durable goods, gold, silver, etc. In the real sense of the term, if any material or goods can be termed as resources, the said goods have to hold utility. Four things. Look: utility, insufficiency, visibility and exchangeability. At first we discuss utility, the ability of fulfilling. It is very important for CQA. The ability of fulfilling the need of any commodity is called utility. For example, human beings have the need for want of clothing, shirt, pant, sari, and all these goods have the ability to fulfill the want of clothes. So these have utility. Next, insufficiency. When the supply of any goods or service is less than the demand, the said goods or service appear as insufficient. For example, food. The supply of food in every country all the time is less than the demand, especially the developing country like ours. So money has to pay for the getting food. It means the insufficiency of food. Again, man needs air for respiration in every moment. Since the supply of air is unlimited compared to the need, man has to pay no price for air. But if you admit the ICU, you have to pay it. Then it will not be sufficient. It means there is no insufficiency of air. Only utility and insufficiency don't turn anything is to a resource. For example, health is insufficient and has utility, but because it lacks visibility and exchangeability, it cannot be called a resource. However, when a healthy person can earn money by utilizing his physical health, that particular health shall be considered as a resource. Like human resource. Type of resource or asset can be divided into four classes. How many classes resource can be divided? Four classes: personal, collective, national and international. Personally owned land, house, factory, money, car, goods, etc. are the personal asset. Own intellect, personal skills, though non-transferable. Own in intellect, personal skill, though non-transferable, but an individual can create resource by utilizing those qualities. So these are included as personal. Actually, what type of and how many asset he earned by his own mechanism or own ability, this is called personal. The resource which are enjoyed by all the people of the society collectively are collective asset. So it is very important for your CQA. What is collective asset? All the citizens have equal rights on these assets and they have equal obligations for those assets, like roads, railway, embankment, park, government, hospital, school, all natural resources under state ownership such as forest, mineral resources, rivers are the collective resources. All the personal resources of all citizens of the country and the collective resources of the society are jointly called national resource. Underline it. Here is a question: what is national resources? Personal and collective combinedly called national resource. Moreover, any qualifying characteristics of the nation such as skill, creative power, technical knowledge are included in the national resources. There are some resources they don't belong to any state. So every nation can enjoy those resources such as ocean, scientific invention, technology, etc. All these are international resources. There are mainly two sources of national resources. The first is the gift of nature. Land inside and outside the geographical boundary of any country is the gift of the gift of nature. Nature, forest and trees, fruits, animals, birds, water body, fishes, aquatic animals, plants, water, all types of mineral are nature given resources. Source of national resource. The second source of national resource is created by human beings. Actually, two types of resource: natural and human. The citizen of any country use, collect and withdraw natural resources by using their labor and capital, creates asset by transforming those items. For example, man cultivate land. Actually, land is natural resource and man cultivate it, and they by their hard labor they grows fruits, flower, trees. It is actually human resource, but land is a natural resource. They cultivate fish in the water, lift mineral resources, make it suitable for use. Men by their own initiatives or under the finance and control of the government constructs roads, factory, machinery, vehicle, embankment and bridge and products various type of industry. In this way, the citizens of our country are engaged in the creation of various type of goods and services. Asset throughout the year. Look, preservation of natural resource and checking wastage. It is important for your CQC. Preservation means underline it. What is preservation? Preservation means maintenance and supervision. Especially, we know that the personal asset of all the citizens and the collective asset of a country together form national resource. Collective asset include those assets that are collectively owned by all people, and the state owned natural and produced resource are include too. So the preservation of national resource means the preservation of both the personal asset and the collective asset altogether. The preservation of private resource. Preservation is the spatial protection and supervision of any object, goods, organization, property with care. Actually, when we aren't by own ability, then we protect it very carefully and we save it as, and safe to use very carefully and very carefully, and the individual generally keeps his own assets such as money, property, gold, silver, with special care for his own interest, because they achieve it their own by their own ability. So they protect and take care it very carefully. Not only that they are much active to develop and increase those, because they give attention more on these and focus on it. Moreover, everybody supervises those items of check wastage of their own resources, the looking after of asset, preventing the possibility of damaging any asset, replacing the asset damage. When flood started, then the private owner of company, they try to uh, save their properties from the damaging and replace it another place. These are the actually included in the preservation responsibility. The individual do not generally incur excess expenditure or misuse of his own asset. He remains always aware. Actually, the private owner always aware for their own asset and not spending excess of necessity. Number 2, the preservation of national resource. Roads, bridges, hospitals, school, state-owned vehicle, car, like BRTC car, BRTC bus, car, train, ship, airplane, and factory, organization, institution, office building, important installation, natural resource, land and resource inside on the land, forest, river, water body, resource, pieces, and mineral resource. All these are included as collective asset. The state and people collectively own all such resources. The people use and enjoy those. The state ensure all the development and welfare of the people by using those resources in a planned way. So all the citizens should especially be careful to preserve all such collective resources. At first, we have to think. It is our own asset, like our personal asset, because it's created and it's made for us and for the development and welfare of ours. And moreover, organization or institution in charge of their collective resources should perform their duties properly. The action to be taken to preserve check wastage of national resource of Bangladesh. Look, attention should be given so that the arrangement that is taken by the state to preserve national resource is not hampered. So you have to sincere it, and we have to focus it. We know that there are security guard for the maintenance of bridge, important establishment. If those are found not secured and someone try to destroy it, then you have to inform the authority, and proper authority has to be, we have to inform them. Awareness should be enhanced so that none can harm those resources. If any such misdeed is found, the proper person authority has to be informed, like cutting down trees illegally from preserved forest, hunting birds. These are the Actually, these are the crime. Trying to keep the development and increasing of the resources, remaining aware and active to check the misuse and wastage of the collective and national resources such as water supplied by the state agency, not to use electricity, gas without need, and to be economical while enjoying. If every citizen is aware, active, performing a respective duty to reserve those, it is not hard to preserve. Actually, it is not, it is universal truth, not hard to preserve. If we, every person of our country look after it and take care of it and try to preserve it, these national resources will not be destroyed. For the preservation and supervision of all such resources, the responsibility duties of authorized organization are described clearly in the document of the organization concerned. The employees of the organization have to remain vigilant to perform all such duties properly, to give necessary training to perform all such duties. Various economic systems. Look, various economic system. These four factors are required for production: land, labor, capitals, organization. At first, I discuss land. Usually, land means soil. Usually, land means soil or plain field. But in economic land means all the mineral resources such as soil, the upper stratum of earth, and everything on and inside land. Labor. What do you mean by labor? The physical and mental ability of man usable in production work is called labor. Capital. What do you mean by capital? The produced factor of production is called capital. Capital is such type of asset which is not directly consumed, but more production is made by utilizing it, such as machinery, factory, building used in the work of production, money, organization. Three factors of production such as land, labor, capital, in combination of all these, the work of conducting production and execution is called organization. So what is called organization? Answer is here. The man who organizes, write the underline it, the man who organizes is called the organizer or entrepreneur. The risk of uncertainty which remains in production is shouldered by the organizer. Wood for chair is collected from land. For collecting wood, money, and to transform wood to chair, machinery and the other factors are required. This money and machinery is capital. Afterwards, a labor or technician is needed to who prepares chair from wood with the help of machinery and own labor, and the organizer entrepreneur accomplishes chair production process by integrating land, capital, laborers. In this way, man always initiates effort to fulfill his various needs by the help of these four factors. Look, we can say from this discussion, the stages are follows. Look, economic function that is performed by man to fulfill his various stages: want, effort, underline, want, effort, production, distribution, and consumption. For production, the landowner is given rent for land. Landowner is given rent for land. It is the outcome of four factors. And similarly, wages to the laborers, interest to the capital owners, and profit to the organizer are given. All the rewards such as rent, wage, interest, and profit are properly distributed speed in economic programs. So, if the distribution system is faulty and discriminatory, economic problem persist, and instability and disorder are created in the society. The way how the money value of total produced asset is distributed among the factors of production. The system or structure under which ownership of factors production determine and the process of distribution consumption of produced asset is accomplished is called economic system. What do you mean by economic system? Underline it. Four types of economic system are mainly effective in the present world. Underline the capitalist, socialist, mixed and Islamic economic system. At first, we discuss characteristics, ownership of components of production, the components such as land, labor, capital organizer under the individual ownership in the capital. It means the individual achieves ownership of land and help of his asset or income. He can employ the laborers can from capital, can consume and transfer freely his own asset. Individual himself take all the decision. Freedom to take initiatives. In this case, almost all economic function can run in personal initiatives in the capitalist system and can make necessary investment. The capitalistic economy is called many times, underline it, many times as free market economy. So what is called the free market economy? In this economic system, production, distribution, consumption is operate on the basis of demand and supply, and decision by the individual in case of private ownership and production and consumption of asset. And there is no interference of government in this case. Free competition, same good and the three competition continues among them. The price of good is determined through competition between the producer or seller and the buyers. Freedom of consumer, the process. So man consume food, so as man meet hunger by food. Food destroy for any reason, it would not be consumed. Which goods, how much amount will be consumed by a consumer is decided by himself. Here is a freedom of consumer. He buy anything as he likes, but his liking, earning and the market price of the commodity influences his decision. Earning the highest profit, money engaged in production is investment. What is called investment? Addition of new capital with existing capital good is called investment. The producers invest more money for such goods and have the possibility of market making more profit. Exploitation of labor, it is very harmful in this economic system. To keep production cost less, the laborer are given fewer wages than the just wages. These surplus wages is accumulated to the capitalist and entrepreneur as profit. Underline it. In this way, inequality and disparity is created in the actually. Here is the point. The inequality and disparity started in the society. The laborer get minimum wages compared to the dues, and capitalist and entrepreneur earn more money than their dues. Since the number of capitalists are less, most of the part of the asset of the society. Socialistic economy. Owner of the factors of production, all asset including factor of production under the state ownership, and no private ownership is vested on the state. Socialism is the underlying economic organization of the society. The state integrates the four factors production. Through this organization gives guidance to the production activity and conducts according to overall center planning. Underline it. The aim of the socialistic economy is that the member of the society will have maximum welfare. Underline, from his planned economic activity. Government instruction in economic activities, government takes basic decision in producing goods, imparting service to the citizen in this system. Lack of freedom of consumer. There is no freedom in making decision regarding production by the producer in this system. The producer grows food determined by the government. Objective of economic system. The main objective of this system is to earn maximum profit, and all economic activities are conducted to meet the basic need of each citizen and to attain highest welfare for the people. Economic distribution. In this system, entrepreneur receive the profit margin and the owner of earned profit is state or government in this system. The revenue of land and interest of capital is deposited in the government treasury because the government is the owner of the land and capital. Look, mixed economics, actually it is applicable for Bangladesh. Coexistence of government and private sector, government ownership initiatives and either full or partial control remain effective in some sector. The supply of essential goods service for the people such as communication system, treatment, arrangement for education. Moreover, basic and large industry, publicly important organization, big bank, financial organization, main export goods, life-saving drugs. Actually, government for emergency, government take some initiative like life-saving drugs, child food, usually remain under government control. Again, the essential commodities such as like clothes, goods, garments, agriculture goods on private, mainly established on private initiative. Competition. Individual private sector remain predominant in mixed economy. Buyer investors of the fixed depending upon the price and the earning profit. Personal ownership is property in decision making and predominance of private sector remain in the mixed economy, and the main objective of all activities of the producers are to earn maximum profit. Freedom of entrepreneur and consumer. In this system, the consumer can sell, purchase and consume common goods freely. Distribution of income. It appears the part in the mixed economic control by the government is not for making profit but for social welfare to the utmost. The laborer engaged in the production get their right wages, so a balanced distribution has been possible. In this way, it is seen that a balanced distribution of asset and wages is ensured in the mixed economy through sometimes. It is noticeable that the laborer are exploited and deprived, and income disparity is observed. Look, import-export control by the a big part of the economic activities such as big and heavy industry, the production and making of essential goods and the import-export control by the government along with the private ownership. The part of private ownership of the economy is run fully by the individual for the purpose of earning profit. In most of the cases, due wage of the labor is given less like the capitalist economic system. Surplus wage is included with the profit. As a balanced distribution of asset is not produced, the disparity appears in the economy of various factors of production. The overall welfare of the is not ensured. For this reason, government take many initiatives like welfare related activities for the people. And others economic systems, fourth economics, Islamic economic system, you read it at home and you read more the prevailing economic system in Bangladesh. especially distribution status of the national income of Bangladesh. So thank you very much. If you have any problem or face any problem, please contact with me. Thank you very much. Allah